children, don't forget to subscribe my channel. All the best, God bless you. Here we will find out delta G naught value for K2Cr2 oxidizes iodide ion to iodine. E naught cell is equal to 0.79 volt. How do we calculate it? They give you the values. Here is Cr272 negative plus 14H positive plus 6 electron. You should know this balance equation. Cr3 positive twice of Cr3 positive plus 7H2, E naught value is equal to 1.33 volt. And for iodide to iodine, it will be E naught will be 0.54 volt. Now see the difference between these two equations. Here it is reduction potential is given. Here iodide is oxidizes into iodine, and that oxidation potential they have given. But when the tip of the day, when we are calculating E naught cell, at that time E naught cathode and E naught anode, both of them should be on the reduction potential we consider. So this is the reduction potential of 1.33 volt for dichromate ion, but this is oxidation potential. So we will just convert this into reduction potential by changing this sign of this will be positive. Okay, so convert oxidation potential to reduction potential by converting the sign change will be there. So here it is minus, now it will become 0.54. So E naught cathode minus E naught anode will be E naught cell. So E naught cell will be equal to E naught of redox of 1.33 volt minus E naught of the reduction potential of I, so 0.54. So it is coming to be 0.79 volt. Remember this thing, that always we have to take redox potential. Okay, now delta G is equal to minus NF E naught cell. We will put that value 0.79 E naught value over here. Okay, and delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. Here I forget to write on minus. Okay, so minus, otherwise the reaction will not be spontaneous if minus sign will not be there. So minus 6 into 9, F is equal to 96500 coulomb. This is in coulomb. If this is Faraday, 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulomb, and 0.79 electron. This is E naught cell. Calculate out, it will be 0 this much joule per mole in negative sign. So delta G naught will be equal to minus, and this will be in the kilojoule per mole. Here I have given so many equations, so I don't think that now it is required. Delta G naught is equal to minus RT ln Kc, or that is equal to 2.303 RT log Kc. This is different than the above. And E naught cell is equal to plus 0.0591 N log Kc. Okay, when equilibrium, this will be this type of equation will be there. E naught cell is